G'day guys, Toss20 here and welcome back to City Skylines Industries. Since the last tutorial, I've been expanding the industrial areas of Dollar Town, and we now have a variety of different products being produced in the city. But I think it's about time I take it up a notch and start plopping down some unique factories. So the unique factories require multiple resources to produce unique goods. Basically, the further up you go, the more resources needed to produce those goods. I think I'm going to start with a furniture factory. It only requires planed timber and paper, which I know I'm producing quite a lot of in this area. I think I'm going to put it down halfway between the forestry industry and the city, because ultimately you want those products to be on the shelves as quick as possible. When I click on the factory, I can see I need plain timber and paper in order to make the furniture. I need both those items in the factory at the same time in order to start producing anything. And at the moment, I have neither, so I'm just waiting for a truck to make its first delivery. Alright, so now we're actually starting to make some furniture and some money. I might actually start increasing the production rate so that we can start getting it out a little bit faster. Though I'm just going to be careful of the upkeep per week, and also if I can keep up with the demand of timber and paper. To keep up with that demand, I'm going to put down a couple of warehouses that will store just plain timber and paper, so that there's always resources close to the factory. And while we're at it, let's add another unique factory to the area. This time I'm going to go with a toy shop, as it uses pretty similar resources, though it does need plastics, which is being produced all the way down the other side of the map, so I do need to also put down a warehouse that specializes in plastics. And in a nutshell, that's how you get your unique factories running in your city. Though these are the most basic and easy ones to use, they get a lot more complicated and tricky to manage down the track. You'll see me fail at those ones. I'll see you then.